Well, this morning, 7 northeastern states have announced plans to cooperate on the purchase of medical equipment to battle the COVID-19 pandemic. CBS 2's John Diaz joins us live from Central Park, where one overflow medical facility will be seeing fewer patients this morning. John.
Yeah, good morning, Chris, to you. Well, starting today, Mount Sinai will no longer be seeing new patients here at their field hospital set up in Central Park right here behind me during this coronavirus pandemic. This is because, according to a hospital spokesperson, the amount of COVID admissions now is reaching, quote, manageable levels. This coming as the state leaders announce how they plan on helping out hospital workers in the future if there is another wave.
7 northern governors are leading a buying block for medical supplies to avoid scrambling for them ever again. Governor Andrew Cuomo announced personal protective equipment, or PPE, ventilators, and other medical supplies will be bought together by this regional group, already collaborating on coordinated regional reopenings. The working group is comprised of New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, and Delaware.
Which will make us more competitive in the international marketplace. And I believe it will save taxpayers money. 4
of the governors shared screen time with Cuomo at his Sunday coronavirus update, including New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy.
The notion of coordinating together as a region makes enormous amount of sense. So sign me up and sign New Jersey up.
This way, these states don't have to compete financially to gear up for what is expected to be an eventual second wave of infections. Governor Andrew Cuomo says New York hospitals must build up a supply of PPE that could last 90 days. The governor said 280 more people died in New York, a drop compared to a slight uptick a day before. CBS 2's Dave Carlin asked what it means. Numbers trending down, with New Yorkers observing proper social distancing.
You talk about the road to recovery and reopening as being an art form. Your fellow governors feel the same way. How much of this is based on some personal observations in the last couple of days and gut instinct?
Follow the data. I believe you can do this as a science. You know, is it science or is it art? Let's say it's a combination. Look at the numbers. Look at the numbers. The art form, you bring an educated gut to it.
So what does your gut tell you at the moment?
My gut says the weather is going to warm. We're not out of the woods. Numbers are going down, but you go back to your old behavior, that number goes right back up.
And the total price tag for New York State for PPE and other medical supplies is $2 billion. Governor Andrew Cuomo is saying that a way to cut back on that cost is using, in the future, American-made products. Also, going into advancements such as 3D printing and, of course, this new group of 7 states working together as one. We are live this morning from Central Park. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.